Welcome back to Product Critique, your ultimate destination for honest reviews and insightful analysis on the latest products hitting the market. Today, we're diving into the world of fashion with a spotlight on what might just be the best purple jeans brand out there. Yes, you heard it right, purple jeans. Get ready to add some boldness to your wardrobe. Let's delve into the AITITIA men's biker ripped regular fit flex jeans slim fit denim pants. First things first, why purple? Purple is the color of royalty, luxury, and creativity. And if you're looking to make a statement, these jeans are your ticket to standing out from the crowd. Crafted from a blend of 98% cotton and 2% spandex, these jeans offer the perfect balance of comfort and flexibility. Whether you're biking through the city streets or just chilling with friends, you'll appreciate the ease of movement these jeans provide. But it's not just about comfort, it's about style too. With a slim fit and straight leg design, these jeans sit perfectly at the natural waist, giving you that tailored, fashion-forward look. And with a range of colors and styles to choose from, including the eye-catching 3905 purple, you can express your unique personality with every wear. Now, let's talk durability. Made for the modern man on the move, these jeans are built to last. The zipper closure ensures a secure fit, while the quality stitching and material guarantee long-lasting wear, wash after wash. So, whether you're looking to upgrade your wardrobe or add a pop of color to your style, look no further than the AITITIA men's biker ripped regular fit flex jeans slim fit denim pants. Trust us, you won't be disappointed. That's a wrap for today's review. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews and recommendations. Until next time, stay stylish.